What? That's a good whistle.
Who's winning right now, you guys? Who do you think?
I guess.
Argus? I don't know. He's falling down quite a
Go
bit.
Argus. 5 points for Argus. 1,000,000,000,000 points for Argus. No, that's the highest number. Not Googleplex. That's the highest number than trillion. Then I will pick Googleplex.
I don't know. Leo's got some of that big brother strength right now. Even though they're still both puppies.
Yeah, Leo's one and Argus is...
All right. Good fun, huh, guys? All right. Let's go, you guys. Before the bugs get me.